Hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I have all the stuff to make a baby boy gift basket. You can also do a baby girl gift basket, just changing the color from blue to pink. So the things which I'm using, I got this big basket, a cover which is blue, is for my nephew who was just born a week ago. I have this old Amazon box which I am going to put inside to create a height. It's just a piece of cardboard from another box which I took, and I will, like this, create a platform. I have this very nice gift wrapping paper. I'm going to wrap at least this piece, so when it goes on top of it, it's already wrapped up. So let's get started. Also place this at the back of the basket. And this is a Star is Born blanket. It's a musical teddy, and it's a Stitch a Teddy collection. This is how it's very easy for the cross stitch with the instructions. I got these kids face masks which are disposable, and they are in assorted patterns for the baby boy's older brother who is 6.5. It's for Mikhail. So friends, to fill a basket which is this big, you can put as much as you want to. For a baby shower basket, you can add different stuff like the diapers, initial basic necessities for a baby and for the mother. But as I'm doing it as a gift basket, I can't think of something else. I do have a baby greeting card for the baby boy, and I have this shrink wrap pull bow, the basket wrap. So let's start wrapping the basket. So since I told you guys I got this shrink wrap and pull bow plastic wrap, but I have to cut it open to accommodate this big basket, and this is how I am going to put it together. I'm just gonna tape and then put them over here. As I'm using the shrink wrap, so you have to use the blow dryer just to make it all shrink and stick to the basket. So let's give it a try. This is how I wrap this basket. As I told you guys, I used 2 of these shrink wrap, and because this basket was too wide and big, so I just cut those open and then wrap them, one from vertically and then one horizontally. I just tape them. This is how it looks. Sign it and then you're all set. So I hope that this baby boy gift basket gave you some ideas, and the more you fill, the better it will look. but this is how I did it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please press the subscribe button, like and share my videos. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.